So guys, I made this sweet corn at home. Yes, corn is in season right now in Nigeria. So we decided to take advantage of it, of which I urge you to take advantage of it too. Go ahead and select a very soft and fresh corn. That was exactly what I did. Then once I got some, I washed and positioned them very well in the pot. Went ahead to boil them till they were very soft. As you can see, I went ahead to peel the corn. I used my knife to peel in order to take away everything without leaving none on the corn stack. Yeah, you can see. So if you do this, it's quite easy. Sweet corn is not rocket science. Sweet corn is simply corn that is sweet. Yes, corn that is soft and sweet. You heard me right. So for your salad, your vegetable, whatever that you may be needing sweet corn for, just use this. After I had done all this, I went ahead to wash them with salt and then package in my sieve. Can you see? It's quite easy. Yes, but you have to be careful. There's a particular kitchen tool to remove this, but because I don't have it, you can improvise with knife just like I did. You can also peel with your hands, but that would take a lot of time, of which I suggest you just use your knife to remove it. It's okay. Mine came out very nice. If you do it very carefully, yours will also come out very nice. Okay, this is me washing with salt, and once you are done washing with salt is just to kill off anything, and then also make it as sweet as the one we buy in the market. That one is always tasting salty kind of which is the preservative, but here the salt rather will also help to preserve it. Yes, you also remove the corn, any other chaff in the corn. The water will help you to remove it. Strain the water and then go ahead and package in a ziploc or whatever form you may use to package your own, but I prefer the ziploc because it's easy and then retains the ice very fast. It's also healthy. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe to my video. Thank you. This is my sweet corn ready for use. When you want to use it, just bring out and use. Bye.